History is full of mysteries, lost cities, vanished explorers, forgotten empires. These stories captivate our imagination, reminding us how much of the past remains shrouded in uncertainty. But some stories linger in the shadows, just beyond our understanding, waiting to be uncovered by those brave enough to seek them out. The tale of the Amazonian tribe known as the Silent Ones is one such enigma, a legend whispered through generations. Imagine a thriving community, deep within the world's largest rainforest, with their own unique culture, language, and traditions, living in harmony with the land. Then, in 1025 AD, they simply vanished. No trace, no clue, as if the jungle swallowed them whole. Their homes, tools, and even their footsteps disappeared beneath the relentless growth of the forest. For centuries, their story became a ghostly warning among neighboring tribes. Beware the deepest Amazon, where silence reigns and spirits may linger. Explorers who ventured too far reported an unnatural silence, a sense of being watched, and a feeling that the jungle itself was hiding secrets. The legend of the Silent Ones grew, becoming a symbol of the Amazon's hidden secrets and the dangers that lurk within its depths. Their memory remained, a cold spot on the map, a chapter of history seemingly closed, yet never fully forgotten. The mystery endured for 1,000 years, untouched by time or progress. As the jungle kept its secrets hidden beneath layers of green, they became a footnote in obscure texts, a puzzle for anthropologists, and a source of endless speculation for historians and adventurers alike. What could erase an entire tribe so completely? Plague, war, or something stranger? Something the world has yet to understand. In 2024, modern technology stumbled upon something that could rewrite everything we thought we knew about the Amazon's past. A drone on a routine survey captured images that sent shockwaves through the scientific community, hinting at answers long buried. After a millennium of silence, the story of the lost tribe was about to begin again, inviting us to unravel the secrets of the Silent Ones. Long before explorers mapped the Amazon, local legends spoke in hushed tones of the Silent Ones, mysterious beings who seemed to belong to another world entirely. They were described as ghosts of the forest, moving without sound, leaving no trace. Their presence felt only in fleeting glimpses and vanishing footprints. You'd never hear them coming, only feel their presence, a chill in the humid air, the sensation of unseen eyes watching from the shadows, as if the jungle itself was alive and aware. Shamans claimed the Silent Ones could command animals, manipulate the weather, and even walk between worlds, blurring the line between myth and reality. Early European explorers dismissed these stories as superstition, yet the consistency of the tales across distant tribes was hard to ignore, hinting at a deeper truth. Tribes avoided a vast, mysterious territory called the Land of Whispers, a place where people vanished without a trace, and even the bravest hunters dared not enter. These weren't just tales to scare children, they shaped cultures, defined boundaries, and influenced the way people lived for centuries, passed down from elder to child. Even famed explorer Percy Fawcett wrote of a zone of silence and a sense of dread, describing an overwhelming feeling that he was trespassing in a forbidden realm. He found no ruins or gold, only the legacy of a people who mastered the art of not being seen, their secrets swallowed by the jungle. The Silent Ones left behind an invisible kingdom protected by fear, legend, and the impenetrable green walls of the rainforest. Their story became the Amazon's greatest unsolved mystery, a riddle whispered by the wind and guarded by the endless trees. The breakthrough came in late 2024, after years of fruitless searching and countless rumors swirling among explorers and scientists alike. A Brazilian agency's drone, equipped with high-res cameras and advanced LiDAR technology, was on a routine mission to monitor illegal deforestation in a remote, rarely visited region of the Amazon. The drone's path took it over a vast expanse of untouched jungle, a territory long marked by legend as the home of the Silent Ones, an elusive people whispered about in local folklore. Suddenly, the live feed flickered with movement. Figures appeared in a clearing, tall and slender, gliding with an almost otherworldly grace that seemed to defy explanation. Their clothing, woven from bark and leaves in intricate patterns, matched no known Amazonian culture, hinting at a civilization lost to time. Most unsettling of all, they seemed aware of the drone's presence, calmly looking up from miles below, their expressions unreadable but unafraid. As the drone circled overhead, the figures melted silently into the trees, vanishing as quickly as they had appeared, leaving only questions behind. Reviewing the footage frame by frame, operators noticed one figure holding a long, dark arrow, fletched with feathers from a bird believed extinct for decades, a detail that sent shockwaves through the scientific community. LiDAR scans revealed faint but unmistakable outlines of circular and spiral structures, arranged with apparent astronomical significance, suggesting a sophisticated understanding of the cosmos. The drone had uncovered not just people, but the possible site of a hidden settlement, shrouded for centuries beneath the dense rainforest canopy. The research team, stunned and exhilarated, realized they'd captured the first tangible evidence of the Silent Ones in over 1,000 years, a discovery that could rewrite history. The images were blurry, the details elusive, but the evidence was undeniable. Something extraordinary had been found. News of the discovery spread rapidly, igniting global fascination. The world's greatest Amazonian mystery was suddenly wide open, the silence was broken. And so, with hearts pounding and questions multiplying, the search for answers had only just begun. The initial footage was just the beginning. A stealthier drone with thermal imaging was sent in, flying low at night. It revealed dozens of humanoid heat signatures, moving swiftly and silently through the jungle. They patrolled a large circular area, guardians, just as the legends described. The drone watched as they navigated the darkness with ease, never using fire or light. This was an active, organized community, deliberately hidden from the world. When the drone neared the central settlement, its electronics malfunctioned. Video flickered, GPS failed, controls went haywire. It was as if they'd crossed an invisible technological barrier. The drone was pulled back just in time. On recovery, technicians found a perfectly preserved arrow lodged in its undercarriage, the same type seen in the footage. Carbon dating showed the wood was 1,000 years old, but the arrowhead and sinew were fresh, an ancient weapon still in use today. The impossible was now undeniable. The arrow became the focus of intense investigation. The wood dated to the 11th century, from a tree native to that Amazon region. DNA analysis of the sinew revealed no match to any known animal, an organic mystery. The arrowhead was neither flint nor obsidian, but a lightweight, ultra-hard stone with a uniform crystalline structure. Spectrometry found elements and isotopes unknown to terrestrial geology. The artifact was ancient in design, but made from materials beyond our understanding. The drone's malfunction was traced to a powerful, localized electromagnetic field, artificial, not natural. Experts concluded it was a defensive screen, a non-violent keep-out sign. Enhanced footage showed a shimmering effect around the figures, distorting their outlines. Analysts speculated it was active camouflage, bending light and energy to remain unseen. The Silent Ones were not just hidden, they were protected by science we couldn't explain. The discovery sent shockwaves through governments and scientific bodies. The Brazilian government declared a massive restricted zone, sealing off the area with military force. The official story, protecting a fragile ecosystem. The reality, a secret too big to share. A multinational task force was assembled to study the phenomenon without direct contact. The electromagnetic field, impossible artifacts, and unknown DNA were classified as top secret. Rumors leaked, structures that defy physics, beings not entirely human. Whistleblowers claimed the government was trying to capture the tribe's technology, or even the tribe itself. The wall of secrecy only fueled conspiracy and fear. One theory sees the Silent Ones as ultimate survivalists. They withdrew 1,000 years ago, mastering the Amazon and developing skills beyond modern science. Their silence and camouflage are advanced natural techniques, perhaps using bioluminescent algae or unique minerals for active camouflage. The electromagnetic field could be a feat of geoengineering, channeling natural energies. The arrow's materials might come from rare, local resources or undiscovered species. In this view, the Silent Ones are the pinnacle of human adaptation, living proof of a path humanity left behind. Another theory ventures into the extraordinary, suggesting a hidden dimensional rift deep within the Amazon rainforest. The tribe didn't simply vanish, they crossed into a parallel world, becoming guardians of a mysterious gateway between realities. Their ability to appear and disappear, the shimmering effect, and the strange energy fields all seem to point to interdimensional travel. The arrow and DNA could originate from species that exist in that other world, beyond our own. The electromagnetic field is believed to be the rift's unique energy signature, not a product of human technology. The silent ones, according to this theory, are interdimensional travelers, caretakers of a cosmic secret that remains hidden. The most controversial theory. The silent ones are not entirely human. 1,000 years ago, they made contact with extraterrestrials, who shared technology and integrated them into a cosmic society. The electromagnetic shield and camouflage are alien tech, the arrowhead, a fragment of an alien alloy. The tribe is now a hybrid culture, ancient Amazonian tradition fused with advanced science. The government's secrecy is to manage a first contact scenario, fearing global panic. The silent ones, in this view, are guardians of an alien legacy, watching us as much as we watch them. We stand at the crossroads of myth and reality. The silent ones have gone from legend to tangible enigma, backed by evidence and secrecy. The Amazon's silence has been broken, but the truth remains hidden behind military blockades and official silence. Are they survivalists, interdimensional travelers, or stewards of an alien legacy? Each theory fits the facts in its own way, but none can be proven. Yet, the mystery invites you to weigh the evidence and decide what you believe. The truth is out there, shrouded in jungle mist and government secrecy. For now, all we can do is wonder, and wait for the day the silence is truly broken.